Hi there. Fascinating discussion question this week on the ability of the United States Congress, because of conflicting priorities to get their stuff done from a management perspective. And I think in many ways it does illustrate some of the problems that current companies have when you have conflicting small group agendas and priorities that somehow get in the way of the overarching mission of the organization. And I think you see that to a large degree, especially in Washington today, where we have a number of people who are very focused on singular items, individual agendas, making sure that that gets done, sometimes at the expense of the overall goal of the organization. And you see that a lot of times in business today, where small groups, managers are so focused on their own issues and their own priorities, and sometimes that gets in the way of understanding the overall goal of the organization. I see that in my own organizations a lot of the times, where managers are so focused on certain things, what appear to me to be small aspects that are assume such an area of importance that they override what should be, I think, the strategic goal of the organization. And the Congress example that they used this week in the class is a really good one, in that because that's taken to such an extreme that you would think people can understand the importance of working together to achieve a common goal, and that sometimes is somewhat problematic there because of conflicting priorities. So maybe that's some stuff we can talk about this week, and it should be kind of interesting, and I look forward to seeing your input as to you think how the Congress, the government of the United States, is in effect managed, or probably to a greater degree mismanaged. But that'll be some interesting stuff we can talk about this week, and I look forward to seeing what you have to say. Thanks.